Hi, welcome back to my channel, y'all. I was going to do a quick sublimation project and share with y'all how I did it. I am making a Racing Louisville t-shirt, and Racing Louisville is our women's professional soccer team here. So I've just opened up Microsoft Word, and I'm going up here to insert, and then I have found a image online, and I searched for a PNG and found the image that I was looking for, and it's here in my downloads folder, and I'm just going to insert it. And so I'm going to see what size it came in. So it came in at 6.5 and 6.5, and actually that's right about the size that I want for my t-shirt. So I think that's perfect. And then you have to remember that because you're doing iron-on, that you need to mirror this. So you just click on that little image right here and click on the down arrow and do the flip horizontal right there. And to get that menu to show up, you just right click your mouse and then all of this will pop up. And so now I'm going to print this out. Things to remember when you have a sublimation printer: you have to have the special ink, and I have a video showing you how to convert a printer, an Epson printer, to a sublimation printer. And then you also have to make sure that you have the correct sublimation paper, and I will list that, a link for that down below. And I'll also link the video on converting your printer to a sublimation printer. Alright, so I've trimmed up my image and just kind of made it a little bit smaller. So then let me get my t-shirt set up. So I am just using a shirt that I had purchased a while back because I'm doing this quick before we go to the soccer game. So I would have preferred to maybe have purple or for the sleeves. This is a Canvas brand shirt. And for sublimation, you also have to remember that it has to be at least 50% polyester for the sublimation to work. So I have my mat down below, and then I have this piece of cardstock in between so it doesn't bleed onto the back. And then I'm going to put some butcher paper on top of this and heat it up. And check it out. I have my Easy Press 2 heated up to 400 degrees, and I have it for 30 seconds. The other thing that I forgot to show you is before you put the image down, you'll want to take a lint roller and lint roll over, and then preheat for 5 seconds, and then put your image down. All right. Let's take a look. And look at that. That is so cool. I love how that turned out. And it's super easy. I mean, it took me 30 minutes tops to find the image, download it, print it out, and get it on my shirt. So I'll put at the end of here a picture of me at the game with my shirt on. Let me know what y'all think. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button, and I will see y'all on the next video.